Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Morgan, the Ryker chick, and in today's video we are going to be installing the Black Dymond Floorboards from the Monster Garage. Let's get into it. Alright you guys, so I am really excited about this install. This is one of my birthday gifts from my wonderful husband. So I've been looking for some floorboards for a little bit now, and I was really drawn to these. I'm very excited to get these installed. But before we get started, I want to ask you to please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright, so I was drawn to these floorboards in particular because of the size of them. These are from the Monster Garage, and they are one of the larger floorboards on the market. And they also come with an option to add a highway peg, which I think that is going to be one of my next purchases, is the highway peg for these. So as you guys probably know, the Ryker comes with an adjustable foot peg. You can flip this peg up to adjust for your height and comfort as you ride. But sometimes the pegs get a little bit hard on the feet, so having some floorboards will make the ride a little more comfortable. So I'm really excited to get these installed. It should be a pretty easy install, but let's go ahead and get going. Okay, so in the kit for this modification, you get a set of the floorboards, mounting brackets, and 4 bolts. And the tools you need to complete this install are 6 and 8 millimeter Allen wrenches, a 3/8 inch ratchet, and a 1/4 inch Allen wrench. All right, you guys, so to get started, we're going to pop the this is the stock foot peg. We're gonna pop it up. And if you ever need to know how to adjust yours on your Ryker, this is how you do it. So this way, if you're trying to adjust, you just slide that back and forth. Now, my understanding is that once you attach these floorboards, you lose the availability to adjust with these attached. But if you take these off, you can still adjust this. But it's important to get this into a position that you're comfortable with before you get started. For me, I have always had these pushed all the way to the forward position. You're gonna start with your 6 millimeter Allen wrench and remove the stock peg that's attached. You're gonna remove the bolt that's attaching this. So there are 2 mounting brackets, and there's one that has like a little nub on it right here. That's the one on your brake side, your right foot. This is the one that goes on your left side. So there you go. So if you see the stock foot peg right here, and this is the bracket that's replacing it, you see they're shaped pretty much just alike. So you're gonna put this on right where this was originally, with the existing bolt that held this on initially. Done. Once you have this down in the flat position, you're going to tighten the 2 bolts right here in the front with a 1/4 inch Allen wrench. Now we're going to mount the floorboards with 2 bolts right here in these holes right here, right on top of the mounting bracket. So these bolts actually fit a number 7 Allen wrench. Okay, so that's the left side done. So now we're gonna do the brake side. So the only difference is the fact that it has the brake, and you have to be a little more aware of the position you're putting the brake in. Okay, so the stock peg just came off of the brake side, so that's what I was talking about earlier, was the difference between the brake side and the other side, the left side peg. This is the mounting bracket, so you see it's got the same little lip on it right here that this one does. It's going to go on there just like that. If you didn't know, not only are the foot pegs adjustable on the Ryker, but so is the brake. So you do that just by pulling this out. You can adjust it totally however you need. You want this in a high enough position that it's, you know, that you can reach it without messing with the floorboard at all, but it's also not going to get in the way of the actual mounting bracket. So that's about where I had mine to begin with. It was right about the right spot anyway. Just wanted to make that little note. All right, you guys, so that is it. That is the Black Dymond Floorboards from Le Monster Garage. I'm really happy with these. I think they're gonna be very comfortable. I think they're gonna make, especially like long rides, a lot more comfortable on my feet. And I am very interested to maybe add the highway pegs to these and see how much more comfortable that will make the ride. So overall, not a bad install, pretty simple. I'll have these linked down in the description box below along with the tools that we use to make this happen. I appreciate you watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe so you never miss a future video. And until next time, you guys ride safe, be kind, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.